Breedlove Foods is a not-for-profit company that packages dried legumes and vegetables for humanitarian relief in the aftermath of hurricanes, earthquakes, and other catastrophic events. To boost production of its lentil and vegetable blend, the company installed an automated bulk handling system comprised of 2 Flexicon BULK-OUT BFF bulk bag dischargers and 6 interconnected flexible screw conveyors to distribute dehydrated lentils to 4 mixers and then to the packaging line. A forklift delivers bulk bags of dehydrated lentils from the warehouse to either of 2 side-by-side Flexicon dischargers on load cells. The removable bag lifting frame allows the bag to be secured using Z-clip strap holders at floor level before it is forklifted into receiving cups atop the discharger frame's posts. The operator then secures the bag spout to a spout lock clamp ring positioned atop a teletube telescoping tube, which applies constant downward tension as the bag empties and elongates to completely discharge lentils into the hopper below. From each discharger's floor hopper, a flexible screw conveyor moves the lentils through an opening in the wall into the packaging room, where they discharge into a transition hopper above a Y diverter valve that directs lentils into 4 sets of interconnected flexible screw conveyors feeding 4 mixers. Each conveyor is driven by a motor positioned beyond the discharge point, preventing material contact with seals or bearings. Lentils exiting the conveyor are gravity-fed through downspouting to one of 4 mixers, where operators manually add minor dry ingredients, including rice, soy protein, potatoes, carrots, and onion. The loss-of-weight batching system is controlled by a PLC, which the operator can program to set weight specifications and routing to a specific mixer. According to the CEO, the automated bulk handling system has increased production to nearly 2 million meals per day, while improving worker safety. To learn more about Flexicon bulk bag dischargers, flexible screw conveyors, weigh batching systems, and the full line of Flexicon bulk handling equipment, visit flexicon.com.